How cool is this, fans? The Willis Tower in Chicago that we built? Let me tell you how. Using the new 3 Doodler Start 3D pen set that comes with the pen, plenty of strands that you can feed into the pen, and by charging it on any USB port, you can simply start the process of building. And it dries in really seconds. Look at that. It's already hardening. And by following the templates and designs, you can mix and match colors, just as I'm doing here. And to reverse it, it's just a double tap, and it goes back the other way. So either way, the 3D Doodler pen, safe. So this kit is for ages 6 on up. A little patience, but the designs can be wonderful. And as I said, take your time. You can make a structure just like we have. The Willis Tower. It makes quite a showstopper. So again, holiday time, new product. I think your kids will enjoy.